Let us write one more program using nested if. This program is to display grades for the student based on their marks. So let us study the problem first, then I will write on the program code. See, there are 3 marks from 3 different subjects, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3. We will take input as 3 marks, then find total, then find average. Then based on the average marks, we will display grades for the students. So if average marks are greater than or equal to 60, we say grade A. If they are between 35 to 60, less than 60 but greater than or equal to 35, we will say B grade. If it is less than 35, then we say it's a C grade. It's like fail. So I have just taken 3 grades. If you want, you can increase grades in this one. Now, how to display the grade? Just I will display grades, total and marks and average. I will not display that. Just I will display grades. Okay. So you can display total is so and so, grades is so and so, everything you can display. Let us write on this one. So for this, 3 conditions are there. So for this, I have to write nested if. Right. So here is a program. Already I have written partial of a program. Marks 1, marks 2, marks 3 total are of type integer. Average is in float. Then enter marks of 3 subjects. M1, M2, M3, 3 marks are taken. Then adding M1, M2, M3, we get total. Total by 3.0, we get average. Why 0.0? Because you know total is integer. 3 is also integer. So we get integer division, right? So we get decimal part truncated. If we want decimal part, then typecast or other method is you can write 3.0. This is float, so the result will be float. If any one number is float, then the result will be float. Now here, let us display the grade. So first of all, if average is greater than or equal to 60, then C out A, just this grade, and also L. So if at all you want new line, you can take that. Then I have only one statement inside this. Just I want to display grade. As I said, I don't want to display marks and average. You can do that. So for me, I don't need floor bracket. So just I'll write else. Else again, if one more condition is there. Now remember, this is within range 35 to 60. From 35 to 60, between means you have to take and. So I have to write 2 conditions. Average is greater than or equal to 35 and average that is less than 60. Then for this we will display B. So I can use double quotes or single quotes, anything. Single quote will be a letter, double quote will be a string, then NL. Then else means if it is not greater than 60, not between these two, then definitely it is less than 35. So when it is less than 35, just we will say C out, grade is C. So this is how we can write nested if. This is if, else if, then again else. So using nested if, we have written this program. It's a simple program. So you can write on this program by yourself. Now based on this, there are some coding exercises. You solve that. So based on the range of values, you have to do calculations or give the output. So there are coding exercises, read them properly and solve them. So there you may have to write on few things. You don't have to take input, right? You don't have to declare the variables and take the input. Most of the things are in the parameter. So you have to write on only this part. So do those coding exercises. So I have given you sufficient idea here. You can easily solve them. And there is a demo available for this program. You can watch that one if you are unable to write this program. And at any stage, if you want my help, you can just give a message or in question answer section, you can write your message. Whatever the problem you are facing, you can make it as a question and post it. That's all in this video.